Hi, how was your day?
It was good. How about yours?
Pretty busy, lots of homework,
What subjects do you have?
math, science, and English.
Which one do you like best?
I love science, it's so interesting.
That's cool. What topic are you studying?
We're learning about plants right now.
Sounds fun. Do you have a favorite plant?
I like sunflowers, they're so bright.
Do you have any at home?
Yes, my mom grows them in the garden.
That's awesome. I'd love to see them.
You should come over sometime.
I'd like that. Let's plan it.
Great, I'll ask my mom.
Perfect. Can't wait.
What do you like to do after school?
I usually play video games or read.
Nice, I love a reading too. What's your favorite book?
I really like fantasy. How about you?
I enjoy mysteries, they keep me guessing.
That sounds exciting. Any recommendations?
You should read The Westing Game.
I'll check it out. Thanks for the tip.
No problem. Let's talk about it when you finish.
Definitely. I love discussing books.